everyone, welcome to my demo. So basically, I'm just going to show you the process a bit of my work. I'm working on a PCOS detection. Basically, what happens is that my platform can detect if a person has PCOS or not via their ultrasound. So here is my platform, and this is like the dashboard. I just did a simple one. This is the dashboard. So he shows the model status card, quick start, recent activity feeds, and 60 system alerts. So for now, my API is on standby. Everything is healthy, but we don't know my version, model version yet, and I'm going to explain why. So we have quick start. I've not made any predictions today. This is my model accuracy. I don't have my average latency, and this is my training images. And you can see here, I don't have any prediction yet. And basically, what happens is that my model file works on my API, but it's not loaded yet, and it will load on my first prediction. So let me go to analytics. So basically, Jesus. Basically, this is my performance metrics. We can see that my accuracy is 94%, precision 88%, recall 100. I don't have my F1 score. The AUC is 99.6%, and my loss is 0.34%, which is a good one. So this is my data distribution. We can see here that we have training set distribution 80% slate and testing set distribution, and then you can see here my data statistics, training data, test data, class imbalance. Can have a few of my this is the feature one class distribution. It shows that there's the imbalance ratio and we use class weight. Feature two, this is my resolution analysis, basically showing that my height and weight of images are not equal, and that's why we use normalization and resizing for in pre-proposing. And here is how my data works. So yes. Um so to predict, okay, so this is another data set I had gotten. And let's say I click on this one, this is infected, and I click on open. Let's see what happens. Remember that my data is not yet loaded, so it might take six because I'm using render and I'm using a free plan, so it is going to take a bit of a time to process. Let me show you my API while it's processing. I see some requests and right. So we see prediction completed, prediction shows infected, confidence that is infected is 98%, which and this is an infected ultrasound, which means that my model is doing really great. And you can do batch prediction, that's if you want to predict a couple of images at once. And here you can see the prediction history table, and onto the upload and retrain. So basically, what you do is just click on this. This is infected, and go on a couple of pictures. You open, and I can upload these files. Okay, it has been uploaded. You can see my dataset overview, and I click on retraining. So once I click on retraining, once the model finish training, it will update here. They are saved automatically after every training. So let's click on retraining. So retraining has started. Right, it's in the process of building. Let's see what's going on my API. Okay, so we can see that training has started. Epoch 1 over 3 is started. So basically, that's how it goes. Thank you very much. Because of time, I won't be able to show you more. Thank you so much. My model takes really long to load. I need to take like more than 15 minutes. So I couldn't show you the end of it, but basically that's how it goes. Thank you very much.